The Electrolux induction range has many features to help you master your cooking. Here are some tips to better understand how to use your display. When your range is first powered on, or when the power supply has been interrupted, 12 o'clock p.m. will flash on the display. Set or reset your clock by pressing the oven temperature knob to enable the time selection. The hours can be set by turning the temperature knob right or left, pressing the knob to confirm the selection. Repeat the same process for setting the minutes. Your range's display is centered between the oven mode knob on the left and the oven temp timer knob on the right. To the left of the oven mode knob, there are two knobs for the left rear and left front cooking zones. To the right of the oven temp timer knob, there are three knobs for the right rear, right front, and center cooking zones. To browse and select an oven mode, use the oven mode knob and scroll to your desired mode. The oven modes include bake, convection bake, broil, and convection roast. The auxiliary modes are steam clean, proof, and warm. And the special functions available are Sabbath mode and temperature probe cooking. The oven lights will automatically turn on when the oven door is opened. They can also be manually operated by turning the oven temp/timer knob to the bulb icon. If you'd like to bring the cooking zone to a selected power level more quickly, your range includes a heating accelerator function. To activate this function, press and hold a cooktop knob. Keep the knob pressed and turn it counterclockwise to the BA symbol. A tone will sound and A will appear on the corresponding display. Keep the knob pressed and select the required power level within 3 seconds. The display will show A and the selected power level number alternating. Release the knob. Once the selected power level is reached, the heating accelerator function will be deactivated. The A will disappear and the power level will remain on the one you selected. To manually deactivate the heating accelerator function, simply turn the knob to the off position or choose a lower power level. With the bridge function, two cooking zones work together to heat a long piece of cookware, like an induction-compatible griddle. To activate the bridge function, determine the set of burners you'd like to use, either the left set or the right set. Then press and turn both the front burner and back burner knobs clockwise to the BA positions. When a short tone sounds, release the knobs. After that, press and turn the knobs one at a time until you reach power level 9. A long tone will sound. Both cooking zone displays will show level 0, and flashing red dots will appear on all displays. When the bridge function is active, you can control both the linked zones using the front left or rear right cooking zone knobs. To deactivate the bridge function, bring both knobs to the off position. You can protect your range from accidental use with the control lock. When the control lock is active, only the cooktop knobs will be locked. To activate the control lock, press and hold the central cooking zone knob and turn it counterclockwise to the BA position until all cooking zone displays show the L symbol. Two short tones will sound. To deactivate the control lock, follow the instructions again from the beginning until the L symbol disappears. Your oven also comes equipped with 3 timing functions you can set via the display: Minute Minder, Timed Cooking, or Delayed Cooking. Minute Minder is used to warn you when the set time has expired. It does not stop any function in the process. Cook Time automatically turns the oven off when the time set has elapsed. Delayed Cooking allows you to start a function after the preset time. To set a manual cooking timer, first, set a manual cooking cycle by pressing the oven temperature knob until the displays show the min and clock icons and the number 00. Then, set the time by turning the temperature knob. Keep pressing the temperature knob until Start flashes on the display. The countdown starts immediately. Press the oven mode knob to start cooking. Now that you're familiar with your range's display and its many features, you can begin to explore your culinary creativity. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.